the Slege Vortex knife set. Let's do an unboxing real quick and see what's in here. I'm assuming that's the knives right there. And this is the nice block. And it even has a knife sharpener right on the back. It's not, it's actual sharpener. And that's all that's in the box. So each knife is individually packaged in here, so it's just as sharp as it was when it came from the factory. This looks like a utility knife. So it says slicing knife on it. I don't know if you can see, but it's got it, there you go. It's a Damascus pattern. It's very nice. I feel fairly sharp too. What we got next? We got some scissors. They do not come apart. We got a gripper. They got a bottle opener. They sound very sharp. And we got what I'm assuming is their version of chef knife. Yep. Again, really nice. Oh, there you go. Really nice pattern in these. Not overdone. You can feel how sharp they are. I'm very surprised at this handle. Normally these kind of handles and I don't get along very well, but this got a nice little hump right there that, well, it's just going to work out really well. I like it so far. Now here's the small utility knife, or even a paring knife. Yeah, that's what that is a paring knife. Here's one of the many steak knives, and this is like old-fashioned steak knife I remember when I was a kid. That's nice. It's got 3 rivets in there. It's holding it together. The blade goes the full tang on all of these, all the way down the bottom, and that means it's a one big piece, and this gives you the best. But then you get the 3 rivets to hold it even more securely. So I'm happy with that. All right, so that's all of the steak knives. So let's see what else we got in here. We have another medium-sized knife. It says it is the utility knife. Finally get to the utility knife, and you can see that one's got the nice Damascus. Just assuming where these all go, they all fit. This is a bread knife. And it says bread knife. I have a little tip for you. You see that bread knife? Oh yeah. This is also a great knife for cutting tomatoes. The serrations, they'll dig into the flesh where you have a pesky tomato or tough skin tomato and your knife's not working, you can use those. This is a carving fork. Might have saw it in the movie called Chef where they used it to twist pasta noodles too. I'm happy about that. This looks like a fillet knife. Yep, it's a boning knife. Really nice. I'm gonna set you in there. What else we got? We have more knives. Now here's another serrated utility knife. Now this might be better for Remember I told you that the bread knife can be used as a tomato knife? Well, this set actually has a knife labeled tomato knife. Yeah, tomato knife. Is it Damascus? Let's see here. Oh yeah, a tomato knife. Go figure. The old Santoku knife. That's Carrie's favorite. It's got the scalloped, it's got a flatter blade and it's got the scallops to release, so if you're doing cucumbers or cheese or something, that comes off easier. And this one's got the beautiful Damascus design in it too, as you can see right there. Unfortunately, it didn't come with any kind of instructions. It doesn't tell you how to take care of this knife. It doesn't even tell you which the knives are. Fortunately, it does on the knife themselves. Looking through this stuff one more time, and I'm not seeing any instructions. I did read that these are stainless steel, so they don't have to be lubricated or you don't have to oil them. They're sharp right out of the box. I'm looking forward to giving these a go. I'm probably gonna retire the Marku knives that I like so much for a while I try these. Anyway, that's my first take on this beautiful set of knives. I like them. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.